Yeah, you know where you're supposed to find them? Under.
What's right? 5?
You mean a water temple?
Yeah, there's a water temple.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Okay, we've made it. We've made it. We have appeared, and there's people. There's a dog. I'll show you that later. Straight flop.
What? You want something? Oh, it's over there. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is.
Got him.
Oh, man. Double team okay.
This is what happens before food.
And then food. And then food happens, and we're all...
Smash Bros and Guitar Hero right here.
No.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
There you go. Big
You don't like
prize.
potato, macaroni, cucumber?
Oh, hey, bud.
I do, but I don't want it.
Such food.
All the wows.
Okay.
Much fam. Much fam. Much Justin. Much Luke.
Excuse me.
That flash dough.
So
Look at all that food.
oh, man.
Look at that flash.
Oh.
Look at the flash.
No. You ready?
Go. Kick the ball.
Did you get it, Bumpy?
Look at how fluff. Like her hair just
Wait
moves.
for it, wait for it.
Oh.
Oh, she's gonna go back. You gotta get it. Go get ready.
At the ready position.
Yup.
Steady. Aim. Fire!
Too fast.
It's after hours and we are... Does it see Kona?
Yeah.
It does see Kona. Nah. Just getting ready to play some Black Ops 3. So... Just... Yeah, it's been fun. I'm really tired. It's been a long day.
That's it.
So much food. I have a bunch of video of that actually. So, upload this right now and yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.